Today we are going to be looking at a trickish question. This question has to do with its logarithm, and it has two equations, so it means they are simultaneous in nature. And not just only that, we have two unknowns, which is what the x and y. So how do we solve such question? Let's give it a trial. I will try to make the first equation log x base 3 plus what? Log y base 4, which is equals to 5. Let's call this equation 1. And log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4, which is equals to 12. Let's call this equation 2. So we have log x base 3 plus log y base 4 is equals to 5, and the second equation is what? 2 log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4 is 12. So if you look at it critically, the first equation, the coefficient is 1, while the second equation, that is for x, the coefficient is 2. So it will be more preferable if we use the elimination method. Since we have two types of substitution method, it will be easier to use the elimination method. So let's give it a try. But before that, I'll try and make either log x or log y's coefficient to have the same with that of equation 2. So I will say multiply, let's say equation 1 by 2. By doing that, I'm trying to make sure that the coefficient of log x base 3 is also 2, and it has to be done mathematically. So that is all true, as you can see. So therefore we have 2 times what? Log x base 3 plus log y base 4 also is going to be what? 2 times 5. So because whatever I do to the left hand side, you have to do it to the right hand side. So we have 2 times this, we have what? 2 log x base 3 plus what? 2 times this, we have 2 log y base 4. 2 times 5, we have what? We have 10, as you can see. So let's call this our what? Our equation 3. So let me rewrite both equation 2 and 3 down here. So let's say we have 2 log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4 is 12, which is equation 2, and my equation 3, 2 log x base 3 plus 2 log y base 4 is 10, and this is my equation 3. As you can see, this is 2 and this is 3. So you see, this and this, they have the same coefficient, and it is all log x. They have the same base, which is log x base 3 log x base 3. So we can eliminate it. So to do that, I'm going to say equation 2 minus equation 3. So let's do it in a way we can understand more better. So let's say open bracket this 2 log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4 minus this 2 log x base 3 plus 2 log y base 4 is equal to what? 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. So let's open the bracket. So we are going to have 2 log x base 3 plus 3 log y base 4 minus, if you open the bracket we have minus 2 log x base 3. So you see minus times plus, we are going to have minus what? 2 log y base 4 is 12 minus 10, we are going to have 2. So as you can see, 2 log x base 3 minus 2 log x base 3, they are the same thing, so they will cancel each other. So we are going to be left with what? 3 log y base 4 minus 2 log y base 4 is equal to 2. You see it? So there's a law that says if we have log a base b, and let's say we have n here, it's going to be what? Log of a to the power of n base b. So let's try and apply this in here. So we have you see this 3 will come here. We have y to the power of 3 base 4 minus log of y to the power of 2 base 4 is equal to 2. And from we know that if we have a logarithm, a subtraction log of this minus this, so we are going to be using the division law. It's going to be what? Log of y base 3 divided by log of 2 base 4, which is equals to 2. You get it? So you see y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2, this will cancel, so we are going to be left with only log to the power of y. So we have log of y base 4 is equals to 2. And also, to do away with this log, if let's say for instance we have log a base b is equals to c. If you want to do away with the log, this is going to give us what? A is going to be b to the power of c, as you can see. So let's try and apply it here. So it's going to be what? Y is equals to 4 to the power of 2, and 4 to the power of 2 is 4 times 4, which is equals to 16. So obtain the value of y. So let's try and substitute this y and any of the equation to get the value of x, since we have 2 unknown. So as you can see, let's pick from equation 1 for instance. So let's say substitute y is equals to 16 in equation 1. So equation 1 says we have log x base 3 plus what? Log of y base 4. So we have log x base 3 plus log y base 5. So if we substitute the value of y, just like we said, we are going to have log x base 3 plus log 16 base 4 is equals to 5. So we know that 4 to the power of 2 is equals to 16, so we are going to substitute it here. We have log x base 3 plus log 4 to the power of 2 base 4 is equals to 5. And we know that from logarithm, if we have log a base b to the power of, let's say, c, this can be c log a base b. So we are going to apply it here. So we have log x base 3 plus what? 2 log 4 base 4 is equals to 5. As you can see, log 4 base 4 is equals to 1. So we have log x base 3 plus 2 times 1 is equals to 5. So we have log x base 3 plus 2 times 1 is 2. We have 5, which is equals to 5. So we can say log x base 3 is going to be what? 5 minus 2, which we are going to have log x base 3 is equals to 5 minus 2. We have 3. So we know that if let's say, for instance, log a base b is equals to c, and we want to do away with the logarithm, this is going to be what? A is equals to b to the power of c. So we are going to apply it here. So we have log x base 3, which is equals to 3, is going to be what? X is equals to 3 to the power of 3, and x, which is equals to 3 to the power of 3, is going to give us 27. Therefore our x is 27, and our y is equal to 16. So this is going to be the values of our unknown, which is what? X and y. So we can do a simple checking to verify whether if our answer is correct. To do that, let's substitute the value of x and y in equation 1. Equation 1 says log x base 3 plus log y base 4 is equals to 5. So let's try and verify to see if we substitute the value of x and y. Are we going to get 5? Log of 27 base 3 plus log of 16 base 4. So you see, 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3 base 3 plus 16 is 4 to the power of 2 base 4. So this 3 will definitely come here, and 2 will come here. So we have 3 log 3 base 3 plus 2 log 4 base 4. So as you can see, we have 3 times log 3 base 3 is 1 plus log 4 base 4 is 1, which is going to give us 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5. So you can see our answer is verified.